What is the most expensive, the most outrageous AirTag that you can buy? Well, spoilers, it's the AirTag Hermès.
Ugh, it's Hermès.
So is it any good? Let's find out. What's up, everyone? I'm the Everyday Dad, and if I can figure it out, you can figure it out. Okay, normally that makes sense. This is not an Everyday Dad thing. This is the most ridiculous purchase that I've ever made in my life, and I fully blame Patrick. Patrick, if you're watching this, this is your fault. But I have this here, so let's unbox and let's see what we get with the most expensive AirTag. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this, so let's get right to it. Oh my goodness, that is hands down. That is hands down the best. Normally when we rip that plastic when it's like an iPad or a MacBook, there's nothing to it. I'm very surprised at how satisfying that was. Okay, so AirTag Hermès, or whatever we call it. Here we go. Man, even the box, like, I want you all to appreciate this. Even the box just feels incredibly good. Like, I cannot believe there's a texture to this. No, you're not going to be able to see that because it's not auto-focusing, but there's a texture to this box that feels fantastic, and I'm ashamed that I like it so much. I'm kind of embarrassed. So yeah, Hermès, I guess, is a fancy clothing brand. I looked up one of their t-shirts before we started making this video. Their t-shirts cost $1,100. Who buys an $1,100 t-shirt? Fam, I want you to know that this costs $350 for this keychain AirTag combination. It's gonna go on a $15 backpack, because that's what I normally use. So in the box, we get the Hermès instructions in a variety of languages. As fancy as this is, we don't get any stickers, it looks like. I see no stickers, so how fancy can it really be, right? Right? Come on. You're gonna make me buy the most ridiculous thing I've ever bought in my life, but you're not gonna give me stickers? AirTag Hermès. This is a very nice feeling, like, cloth bag. I like this. When I bought this, I thought it was just the keychain. I didn't realize the AirTag actually came with it, so hooray, you get the full kit. One of the benefits, if you're gonna buy this ridiculous thing, you get the full thing. Here we go. Ready? Still nothing. Okay. All right, so we've got, in the top flap here, looks like we have the AirTag itself. Looks like we have the actual, okay. So we've got the actual AirTag instructions in the top here. In the bottom, I thought this would be oh, okay. Here's the little leather thing, the other little leather thing, and the ring. You gotta assemble this yourself? Does it say on the box, some assembly required? I imagine that if I'm spending this much on a key ring, somebody would come here and assemble this for me. No, we gotta put this together ourselves. Do the instructions have the assembly? Okay, it does, good. Can't believe I spent this much money on, it's made in France. That makes it fancy. It does, all right, it does feel like pretty nice leather. As an accessory snob, I can appreciate quality work when I see it. I do also really like, I have a lot of leather boots. I'm a kind of big fan of leather. The seams here look really good. The stitching's done remarkably well. It's not stitched in a way that I normally look for on goods because I don't normally purchase luxury items. So let's assemble this thing. Even the ring itself says Hermès. The thing that's gonna happen though is my wife's like, I get that, right? It's like, you don't get that. I didn't spend this ridiculous amount of money to not put this on my cheapo backpack. I've got to be doing this wrong. We probably got to put the AirTag in there first though. So let's snag the This is my first time seeing the AirTags. It says it even on here, Apple Hermès AirTag. So even on the AirTag itself, it knows that it's the fanciest version of all. Ooh, made a little noise when it turned on. Let's bring my phone over here. Oh, I have it set to airplane mode because I made the ridiculous text message that I bought this thing. Connect it. We'll call it backpack. Use this phone, Gary's iPhone. Register. It doesn't say Hermès on the little thing here, so how fancy can it really be? You'd think if this was truly fancy, right here on the app, it would say Hermès also. I'm not feeling as fancy as this should be. Okay, so it is view and find my app. So now this is Gary's backpack forever. Pretty cool. It is with me. Nice. All right. So we've got it paired. Let's put it in its little sleeve. And you know, we've got to put, I'm pretty sure this little circle here is so we can have, it perfectly lines up, so we can make sure everybody knows. So if you see this tag from the front, you see Hermès, you see it from the back, Hermès. No matter what we do, people know that we have the fanciest of all the Airtags. I guess we should follow the directions. Insert the strap through the ring. Got it. Fold the strap over the ring. Okay, hold on. Let's do this the way that the instructions told us to. I see what we got going on here. Put that like that, and then put this down like there. There we go. Okay, we have now set up. Sometimes, look, as a dad, I try to follow instructions as little as possible, but there we go. We have now set up and established the most expensive of all the Airtags that you can buy. So is this worth buying? No, absolutely not. Do not buy the Hermès version. But the most important part is we got to put this on my $15 Lenovo bag that I have with me everywhere. You all think I was kidding when I said how much that I use this backpack. Like, this is my backpack that I carry to work. I keep my computers in here, so if there's anything that I want to track, it's going to be this. This is not a luggage tag. This is a keychain. I'm supposed to put keys on this, but, you know, I can be as extra as I want. So there we go. My $15 Lenovo backpack that I carry with me everywhere now will be tracked by the most expensive of all the Airtags. Let me know in the comments below. I've got some other accessories we're going to check out over the next couple of days. I'm very interested to try out these Airtags, see what they can do. We saw they pair instantaneously, so it's not like it's hard. You don't need a lot of information on how to set it up. It took seconds to do. But what are some accessories that you'd like to see? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, I don't have anything else to compare to the excess and the extraness of this Airtag. So if there's something, I'll just put some random video right here that you can check out, that you should watch after watching this one, because I have no idea what's going on anymore. And you can find that by clicking right here. Click, 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 click. Thanks for watching.